Hi everybody, this is Dr. Sigler. I am back from my 2-week vacation to Paris. I had a wonderful time. Should have said bonjour to all of you. So hopefully you got through the first couple of weeks of the session. Okay, looks like many of you are submitting assignments. Just a reminder that the due dates are suggested to try to keep you on track so you don't have to try to do the whole course in one sitting at the end of the 7-week session. Again, we only have 7 weeks in the summer. So this time around, I have down a suggestion that you be working on Module 4 at this point. Acting and speaking with courage, a part of duty. So hopefully you are learning about the Citadel approach to leadership. I will be going in, so this is my first day back in the office. I got home Saturday night, adjusting to jet lag. So this week I will be getting in and doing some grading on the materials you have submitted already. Module 4, you have a discussion board post and then an individual assignment. So basically 2 assignments for each of the modules. So first of all, some ideas or some content about courage, moral courage, video about courage, and then asking you what 2 types of moral courage might look like within your present or future roles, and then respond to 2 other posts. And then the individual written assignment is to view a video and reflect on similar challenges between your present or future career related to courage and or ethical decision making, and compare that with the protagonist in the video. And that's an individual assignment that'll just be reviewed by me. So hope you're having a good May, and have a good week. Let me know if you have any questions. Talk to you soon.